Hey guys, good morning. Check it out. I've got all these lights on in my dash, and I think I know what it is and what did it. So check it out. Walk out here day before yesterday. Get ready to leave. Watch this. Look at all those goofy lights on in my dash. Yep. Oh, copyright stuff. Let me cut the radio down. So I've got TPMS, I know what that is. Got ABS. And I've got service electronic stability, full drive, goofy stuff, right? I've had this happen to me once on another vehicle. Let me check this thing out. I'll bring you back if I think I know what it is. Hold on. Yep, check it out. Look at that. Thank you, Mr. Squirrel. Yep, done chewed through my ABS line. They also like fuel lines too. Well, and guess what's not in stock anywhere? Yep. $85 for a stupid little ABS line. I'm gonna see if I can't fix it with some butt connectors. I know it's not the right way to do it, but that'll get me by for a little while. Let's see. All right, guys, so it's real simple. All I'm going to do is replace it with this style crimps. I don't like using the one with the plastic covers over them. I'm going to use some heat shrink and some tape. I'm sure most of you guys are pretty familiar with how to butt connect something. So that's all I'm going to do. I'm going to fix that ABS line with this, and hopefully that works. And I have no more lights on in my dash. Let's get to work. All right, guys, check it out. I've made my repair right here. It's not super pretty. It's not super awesome. But guess what? It got rid of the lights on my dash. Now I have cruise control again. Yay. All right, so that's gonna work long enough for me to order one of these lines. I really don't want to, but anyway, gotta do what you gotta do. I got my cruise control back, can use four-wheel drive, which is really weird. I don't know why it won't go into four-wheel drive, but modern electronics. Have a good one. All right, check it out. Focus. No more lights, except for the TPMS. I know about that.